Hello, John. What is your name?
My name is jhon.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
When do you live?
I live in San Martin.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have a son.
Okay. Who do you live with?
I live with my wife and my son.
What are you studying?
I study in industrial engineering.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is singing,
Where do you work?
work in production area.
Okay, John. This is. Can you tell my about yourself?
I consider myself organized when carry out my work. I feel good working here. I learn quickly and high positive attitude when carry out my work.
Okay. What are your strengths?
Positive attitude, intelligence, and dedication.
Okay, very good. What are your weaknesses?
In fighting to do time right, demand and service.
Okay, what is your greatest achievement in life?
My great achievement is having my own house.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a professional working as an engineer. I would like to take on greater responsibilities and aiding direct some projects
Okay. Where do you want to keep your hope?
because I would like in position of great responsibility or feel the need to work professionally.
Where do you want to work fast as?
I feel that my skill could fight very well in this job and it is a way to promote professional.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectation 10,500,000.
Okay, John. Very good.
Very good.